Oh, hello. Hi everybody. Peter here. And once again we're going to be doing another wild plant review video. Come with me. First of all, we have to really determine if plants growing in a cemetery are really wild plants. What do you think? These look pretty wild, but do you think they were placed here intentionally, and does it count? First of all, I will say that these flowers over here probably don't count as wildflowers because first of all, someone put them here on purpose, and second of all, they're made of cloth and plastic. But there are a lot of nice, very real planty plants over here that we can appreciate. They even have spider webs on them. Really nice berries right here. Yeah, look at these pretty little clumps of something all hanging here. Do they think they're going to turn into grapes, cherries, mangoes, watermelons? Who can say? This bush is nice. I like the way it's all dense and clumped and very, very huggable. But obviously it's been pruned by mankind very recently. But that's probably the case. That's probably the case for lots of these bushes around here. And those definitely. But these also, maybe they're just allowed to be a little bit bigger. There are trees though. Very nice trees. Big, it's an oak tree? I don't know anything about trees, but there's nice huge ones here that make me feel things. This stuff is magical, great. I think it's called Spanish moss, and it kind of takes over the tree and eventually kills it. It's like some sort of natural tinsel or something hanging from the tree, but it'll take over the whole tree, and then I don't know if it just wait, no, that's my fingers that smell like barbecue from lunch. I was like, wow, this smells really good. Of course, I saw these from way off and knew I had to come over here and look at them. They're just beautiful. It's just plain old beautiful. Little tiny scrunchy crunches of bright pink color. Just dying out there on the end of the branch. And looking amazing. Oh. Vines definitely are one of my favorite kinds of line, easily reoccurring within nature. Vines are a lot like veins, but really just they're so randomly wibbly and squiggly and wiggly. And look at them go, they have little decorations sprouting up off of them, and they split and twist and twirl around. Look, there's vines in vines here. And these vines have perfect little curlicues coming off of them. Look at these things. Little sticks held together by a natural slinky. Boing, boing, boing. And here, all the glorious majesty of this bifurcation. Haha. Yes. A perfect leaf clumpage. Poised at the end of the branch. Very refined. Like a graying beard. Alright, I think that's about all the plants I have time to review today. I'm sure there's more around somewhere, and I'll get to reviewing them as well later. Alright, goodbye everybody. Hey, also, back inside real quick, I'm going to do a quick review. This is a, help. Well, it went everywhere. It exploded on me. I got some baby dills here. Forget about it. Got some baby dills here. It's a type of plant. And I'm going to review one of these for you. Just for a little bonus on the end here. Not that one. this one. Alright, very crunchy. I love the texture. I wished all the grapes I ate had that texture. It just reminds me too much of toe jam, maybe. But it's okay by itself. I can appreciate by itself the overpowering sour, bitter rankness of it. Maybe my taste buds are just different than other people's who love these things. Maybe I just need to eat this whole jar of them and I'll start liking them. I want to like them so bad.